Hi, this is Dave at Nav Repair. Today we're going to be working on a radio that comes out of GM, GMC, Chevy vehicles. This is a Denso unit, and this one ran from 2007 to 2012. And these vary a little bit in models for different years. Like this one here has a DVD map drive in it, and this also has a top drive to play CDs and DVDs. Some also only played CDs depending on your model, and also some of these had a USB port and some did not. But one of the main problems that we have with this particular model is that you'll turn it on one day and there will be no video on the screen. Everything else can work, you'll hear audio, all that kind of stuff, but no video. And what will usually happen on this is it has a GPS video board in here that ends up going bad, and it needs to be replaced. So that's what we're going to do today. I'm going to show you the process. Here we go. Alright, we're back, and as you can see here, we actually fixed up this Denso here, that we can see that the video is now working. Press our nav button here, and it comes out to our full nav screen, and everything looks pretty good. Test everything else, the sound on it, everything is good on this.